Hello lovely people, welcome back again to the channel. Today I share with you this simple delicious baked poloo recipe. Let's get into the video. Into a bowl I will add my dry ingredients. So the first that I went in is my flour. I then added some salt and also nutmeg and baking powder. I will then mix them together, and also I will leave the measurement of the ingredients in the description box below. If today is your first time seeing this channel, hello, my name is Gertrude and nice to meet you. So now I will go in with my margarine. If you have butter too, you can also use it. So I'll mix them together. Okay guys, in order for you to make your poloo, you need a mature dry coconut, which I have already removed from the shell, and I also went ahead to grate them. So after grating, this is what I had. I will then go ahead and add my sugar. I will also add the grated coconut, some vanilla essence, and I will also add some water and then mix them to form a dough. And I want to use this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers and also thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Leave a comment under my post. I do appreciate all. And also you can support by liking this video, sharing this video, and also watch my ads on the channel. So now I'll just add water again because I realized the first one I added was not enough. So I'll add it and then mix it to form the dough well. Alright fam, the dough is beautifully formed, and I went ahead to spread some flour on my working surface. I then placed the dough and roll them into flat. Then after that I just trim the edges and then cut them into the desirable shape and size that I prefer. Are you still with me up to this time? If you are, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like this video and also share this video to reach wider audience. Okay guys, so here is our poloo which I'm going to bake. I've already preheated my oven, so I wanted it to be more crunchy, so I bake it for 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, this is the lovely outcome of our baked poloo. This turned out to be so delicious and it came out so crunchy as well. Let me know what you would think, whether you prefer the fried one or the baked one in the comment section. And I really fell in love with the baked poloo. Consider this is the first time. Usually I always fry the poloo, and the family also prefer the baked one. If you find this video interesting, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.